Hello, hello, hello. Hey, welcome guys. I hope you're enjoying this series about Utah that I'm posting right now. And in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take care about the Africa Twin here. What are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna try to make it lose weight. Yeah, by replacing some stuff and changing, removing what we don't need, basically when we're not fully traveling with friends. And let's start with why we're doing that. So, why is it so heavy? Why is it so heavy? I'll tell you why. It's on all the fackles. We have this thing for luggage rack. We have these big bars. We have mirrors. We have the flex bar. Whatever. Even tubes. Even tubes make the back heavier. All right. So the goal: 2020 Africa Twin. I just read that the 2024 Africa Twin is gonna be 3 kilos more. 3 kilos more. It's over 6 pounds. They added some stuff to it. I don't know what they did, but they must have added some stuff to make it a bit heavier, which is not what we want. So let's start removing some stuff. So Africa Twin, 498 pounds, 226 kilos off the showroom floor. That means with gas and oil in there. We're gonna try to get back to that weight here as much as we can. As you can see, I already removed some stuff. I do the tail tidy. That's gonna help. That's gonna save a little bit of weight, but already that's gonna be a wash because I have the flex bar that I refuse to remove. I got my new damper, MSC damper, that I refuse to remove. It's too good. So what we're gonna try to do is I got some case covers here from the UK, and I'm gonna remove the lower crash bars here on this side and on the other side and replace them with plastic covers. Try to save some weight. Okay, so give me a minute to remove that and then I'll get back to you. Alright, we remove both lower crash bars on this side and on this side. Okay, now let's measure. Let's start with one. Let's measure how much we saved. Crash bar number 1. Can you see that? The angle is not great. 2.9 pounds. I'm still almost 3 pounds. But now we have the second one. It's bouncy. I don't know if you can see really well. It says, can get a better angle on this. 6.2 pounds. That's what it says right now. Okay, so that's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna start with the easy one. This one only has 3 bolts to be replaced. 1, 2, 3. And I already loosened them up, so I'm gonna remove them and install the case cover that I just have it here. Should I weigh it before? Yeah, it says, I think they're together like 500 grams, both of them. Alright, the first cover is in place. Now we torque at 10 Newton meter, the 3 bolts, and we'll work on the second one. I had to remove the caps, the dipstick and the oil filler cap to get it on, but no big deal. Alright, let's tighten this thing. It's the scary moment, guys. You know, every time you have to torque something, especially this low, very small torque fasteners, it's always a little bit scary. There you go. There's not much to it. The the case cover are installed, I had to remove the rear brake in order to torque in the last one at the bottom here, but that was easy. 6.2 pounds saved, plus what we saved already on the previous with the pannier rack, and I'm thinking I'm gonna remove that and also see how much weight I save by removing that, which is weight up there too. Here you go again. I got my fish scale here. Gonna touch the plate that I'm barely using in the winter because I'm not traveling. 2.76 or 2.8 plus the 6.2, so 9 pounds, correct? 6.2 plus 0.8, 9 pounds plus the 12 pounds we removed for the rear rack. I'm already at 21 pounds, you guys. 21 pounds, just that. Good. Okay, that's awesome. So there you go. We shaved 21 pounds and a bit off the bike by just switching from the plate and removing the big one was the pannier rack, which we are not using when we are not traveling, and the goal is to keep the bike as light as possible. What else do you think we can remove? Do I need these guys here, these upper crash bars? If I drop the bike, is there a risk, is there a chance that my nice graphics from Kudvek are gonna be scratched? I don't know. This would be a big one to remove. I'm betting on at least 5 pounds, so that would get us to 26 pounds. That would be awesome. The tires obviously probably need a tubeless conversion, but yeah, if you have an idea what can be done to reduce the weight on this beautiful Africa Twin, let me know. Put a comment in the comment section. Obviously that's what it's for. And remember, ride safe, be happy, enjoy the last few days of sunshine like we have today, and yeah, be safe out there. I forgot to say my line. Subscribe, don't subscribe, you do what you want, just have fun. See you guys.